we're going to be putting our ledger board on the house. We already pulled up all of the siding, and we already have some aluminum flashing that was already here up against the rim joist of the house. So now all that we're going to do is basically, before we get into any of this, we have to put some sort of flashing across here. I'm going to use ice and water shield, and so they have to inspect that whenever they inspect our holes at the same time. Okay. Get it behind this too. You'll notice that I didn't come all the way to the very end, and that's because I'm running my deck probably to right here, and then there's gonna be fascia board that runs into here. I like to square cut all of my cuts first. So for this deck right here, I know it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna be matching up to the same height as this deck right here. Usually I go about 3 inches down below the door if you're butting a deck up against the door. I'm just gonna butt up against the actual top of this. So I just make a rough line here first. I'll put a level on it afterwards. A little more. I found out where my new ledger board's going, so I'm just going to cut this out. Later on, we're going to cut this more and make it look nicer. But right now, all I need is just enough. I don't need to figure all that out yet. And no, I did not cut through the paper. And that is how you appropriately pre-flash your ledger board. Now, we're not done yet. We still have to add ledger flashing on top and do all of the lag screws and whatnot. But for now, this is a good place to start. So if you're getting an inspection for your footers, a lot of times they want to see this inspection as well with the footers. So that is how you correctly do it.